quantum number question. Here are the questions that you may found in the serial of the topic development atomic theory. Here I have the question. Write the outermost electron configuration of element below on ground state condition and then make a forecast for the characteristic of this follow element. Here I have natrium 11 and calcium with 20 number atom and brom with 35 number atomic number. To answer this question, let's start with make a diagram with make us too easy memorize the fill in energy of configuration in the subshell. So I will write the diagram here. As I mentioned before that in the first shell, we have only the subshell S, which is the subshell S by the N equal with 1. So the L or the subshell is N mean 1, it's only 0. 0 for the subshell is only S. But for the second cell, we may found that N with equal with 2, L with L is N mean 1, so we may have the L is 0 and 1, so we may found the orbital S here and we start found the orbital subshell of P. And follow the same rule with the third shell. We start found the 3D subshell here because we found the N equal with 3, so L is N mean 1, so the L is on 0, 1, and 2, and 0 is the subshell S, 1 is the subshell P, and 2 is the subshell D. So the third cell, we first found the subshell of atom. Okay, and remember that to fill in the electron in this configuration, we have to follow the arrow. So you can draw an arrow here. So we can draw an arrow here to more understand which the configuration start. Okay, so I will have here the first configuration will fill the electron with 1s and then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, and so on 3d. Let's go to the first question, which has the atomic number is 11. 11, so we may found this diagram. I have 11, so I fill the subshell in the S. First S is 2, and then second 2, it's full with 6, and I already have 10 electron filled in the subshell, so I still have 2 left, which follow the arrow. This electron will fall in the 3s2. So we have here found that because the electron is only 11, so the outermost it will fall in the 3s1. While we ask the quantum number of the outermost, so we may show that this outermost electron will follow with the n as the principal quantum number is equal with 3, so by the shell level with the n And we can also have L because it has the subshell S, so L is equal with 0. And then we also have that the S orbital it's only has the magnetic only 0 and the spin is plus half. Okay, while first half, and then for the second, now because here in the third level subshell we have only one electron, it's unpaired, so perhaps you may forecast what is the characteristic. Is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? To the second question, with the atomic number of calcium is 20, so we can start with the diagram here, and I start here with 2, okay, and then here 2, I fold 6 and it's already 10, so I still have 2 here and it's 12, wheel here 6 and it's still 18, yeah, and then I still have left, remember the arrow, it has to follow to 4s not to 3d, so I have to put it 2, and then we have the last or the outermost is 4s2. And from this, we can have the quantum number is n equal with 4, the L is equal with 0, and the ML is 0, while the MS is different with the before because it's a pair, so it will have the negative half or positive half. Let's start with here. Is it true that it will follow negative half? Yeah, here is 3p6 and I have here 4s2, so if we pull here, okay, follow, and then I will pull here that the arrow direction is down, so we can give the outermost electron is here. Is it diamagnetic or paramagnetic? Next, for the 35 number, Brom with the atomic number is 35. What you can see here that you can start with the diagram, put here 2, 2, 6, follow before the calcium is 20, so it's 10 left, 2, 6, and here 2, which if we follow the direction, do we have to go to 4p? Okay, no, we should go to the 3D before. So we still have left 10. Okay, so the, what is it name? The 10, when we add 10, we still have left 5 electron left. So we can see here that the outermost is 5. The outermost electron is with the N, L, M, L, MS with the